In a quiet forest, nestled amongst towering trees, lived a tiny firefly named Flick. Unlike other fireflies who lit up the night with their twinkling glow, Flick's lantern was dim and refused to shine. He felt sad and alone, unable to join his friends in their nightly dances across the meadow. One starry night, Flick confided in Luna, the wise old owl who perched on a nearby branch. Luna, with her twinkling eyes and gentle voice, suggested, "Seek the moonbeam weaver, hidden deep within the whispering woods. She may mend your lantern and bring back your light." Excited by the possibility, Flick embarked on his journey. He followed the whispers of the wind through moonlit paths, dodging playful fireflies along the way. He crossed a babbling brook on lily pads and climbed a rocky hill, guided by the glow of fireflies leading the way. Finally, he reached a clearing bathed in moonlight. There, weaving threads of silver light, sat the moonbeam weaver. She was a beautiful woman with long, flowing hair and eyes that shimmered like stars. "Please, moonbeam weaver," Flick pleaded, "my lantern is broken. Can you fix it?" The moonbeam weaver smiled kindly. "To mend your lantern, you must first understand its light. Tell me, Flick, what does your light mean to you?" Flick pondered. He thought about the warmth and joy his light brought to others, about the beauty of illuminating the night sky. "My light is about kindness and friendship," he finally said. The moonbeam weaver dipped her hand into the moonlight and wove a delicate thread, infused with Flick's newfound understanding. She touched his lantern, and it burst into a warm, vibrant glow, brighter than it had ever been. Flick's heart overflowed with joy. He thanked the moonbeam weaver and flew back to the meadow, his light guiding the way. He joined his friends in their dance, filling the night with a symphony of twinkling lights. From that day on, Flick's light shone brighter than any other. He learned that true light comes not just from within, but also from kindness and understanding. He shared his light with others, making the forest a brighter and more beautiful place. So remember, little ones, even when your light seems dim, there's always a way to make it shine brighter. Just remember the kindness within you, and your light will guide you on your own magical adventures. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that light up your imagination.